Hey guys, so here's one of the Spencer fans from the PA meet. This is a bright brass 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan from 1996. This is the one with the green switch cap, which I found out because another collector told me there's actually a plastic film on here and that's why it looks like that. I'd have to take the switch cap off to take it off, but I'm not going to do that because I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, this is a 4.5 blade model, and it's overall in quite good shape. I got it totally complete. Show off tag. On these types of tags, to tell the date code, there's a number stamped right there. Nice canopy. So this runs great, but the only problem is that this was clearly installed somewhere where a lot of cooking was going on, because there's quite a bit of grease on top of all the blades. The bottom sides still look really nice, but if I were to permanently install this somewhere, I'd probably end up getting some degreaser on it and maybe getting some polish, like car polish or whatever, on the brass itself to make it even shinier. But yeah, reversible has the this is the years when they used this really long factory pull chain. Go to low speed. So originals, for some reason, are just not common for me to find, like in my area. They're kind of like weeds in the South, but there's just, in terms of high quality fans, there's so much more Casablanca than there is originals. And I don't really mind that, it's just that the main way that I end up getting fans that don't usually show up here is usually from other collectors or online. And this is probably one of my favorite variations of the original, just because this is like a late 90s, very early 2000s type of design. And I didn't see any of these in polished brass like this one, but there were plenty of white and black ones that were around restaurants and stuff like that, all of which have since been removed, sadly. But you know, I think it's still cool to have. The low speeds on these things are awesome. So yeah, something about the 3-speed originals is that the low speed is a very good functional low, but medium speed is actually quite fast. I do wish it was a bit slower, which I can show off now. Yeah, like, I don't know, just in my opinion it's a little bit fast for a medium speed, but it does get some great air going with it not even being on high speed. It's nearly silent too, because of the whole oil bath thing. I guess now we can go to high speed. Here's where it really starts to crank out some air. And I mean, 15-degree blade pitch going this fast, you just can't beat it. think I'm going to keep this up in the garage for at least another couple days. Just because it does get hot in here now that it's summer. Let me see if I change the lighting a bit. I found this lamp. Actually, I didn't find it. My mom saw a post about this lamp on the side of the road that these people just like had by the curb, and it works totally fine, and it's like basically brand new. I'll turn it back on. But yeah, one thing I really like about originals is that when you get them used, they usually don't need much of any servicing whatsoever. The only thing that most people ever do wrong with these is not oil it, and that can damage the shaft. But if you just put more oil in it, it usually just solves the problem and like clean it and everything. See, I think it's very cool. This isn't the first original that I've tested, but this is the first time in general that I've been able to test these really heavy J-hook fans. Just because I was able to get some help actually putting a hook into a joist in a room that wasn't, it's not like a finished room or anything. So I'm grateful for that. Look at that green. So yeah, it'd be very cool to find a white one of these. I do actually have a black one that I've not tested yet. It's from around the same time. But a white one would kind of complete it for me, because there were a couple pizza places that had white originals. Actually, the black originals are childhood too because of a different restaurant / pizza place, but just got to see what I can find. Yeah, that's going to do it for the Bright Brass Hunter Original Ceiling Fan. Thanks for watching.